steam it up now, right? He might tell you now it's fucking wet anyway, nothing ties on. Just get a feel for it, Scott. I'm gonna tell you what. You wanna pass? Aye. Aye. So what time to sneeze now? Huh? Said you got gravel all over it now. All over the tyres. What's that? Yeah, come in, come on. Just stay over. Nice and steady in this spot. Just see what it. Just get a feel for it. Too bad, is it? It's this one, this down here you want to watch. That slick going in there. Watch you don't slide on you. Yeah, this is the one you want to watch. There's new tarmac there, you can see it. That's slick. Just one, just steady. Get a feel for it. Yeah, that's when you put it in there, that's when you have to watch it. It's going to let less grunt in the corner as you're coming out the corner, innit? Otherwise you're going to aquaplane across there. that slip there. Feel it, can you? Front was going then as well. Yeah. The rest of the track's not bad. It's just that bit there. Some white lines, feel it? Just go steady on it, that's it. Easy, that's it. Surely he should have his fucking lights on. That was unsettling, her left foot braking then. Huh? No, she's unsettling her, that was. Surprised how much grip you've got with that line, isn't it? It's just if you don't get too much water on there, your aquaplane on. Try and keep out of the deep stuff. Oh, I can see that. It's like ice. Feel it, like that. Keep with him on the chicane, go on, keep with him, keep with him. Go on, get down, go on. Chug it in there, shoot, go on, chug it in there, go on. That's it, let her have it. Go on, get it. Going well, that Peugeot, fair news. Watch these lines. Slip on these lines. Go on, let him have it. Go on, you should get her on. Get on, son. He's waiting for you. He's waiting you on. Go on. You're alright. She's fucking surprised how much grip you got. Start drying out in a minute anyway. Jesus, that's slick there. Don't get on it too soon. That's it. See it? Yeah, but I thought it'd be a bit worse than that, but it, you know, fair news. For slicks, anyway. That's a slippy corner, isn't it? Just going all the time. Catching the gibblers now. It's like glass. How's he supposed to see you in them friggin', well, what do you call them on the side? What's behind you? Oh, that's it. Get at him, get at him. Come on. Shut the door on him, that's it. Oh, steady, Scott, steady. Get round him, that's it. Shows how slick it is, doesn't it?
That was a big trip.
That was just pure going, there's no way of saving that.
It's a big, don't know where the fuck to go because it's sometimes not.
Well, I know, yeah, that's right. But he was going to go round and come back at you, so as he was going round, as I said, get on going. While he's still sliding that way, he's not going to come towards you until he's facing you. Don't get tangled up in that shit. Steady on that. He's going to feel it. or what? I said we out here on our own, everyone's chipped out, didn't they? What?
What's the time?
7 minutes past 10. What time you gonna come in? There's cars up there anyway. Watch him, Scott. Keep your eye on him, because if he's been off once, he can very well do it again when you're up the outside of him.